Previously on The Real Forex Trader.
First trade I took was cable, 2,278.98 pence. Not bad for a morning work.
So first off, congratulations, we're doing very well. Overall, so monetary value wise, we're just shy up 5 grand in a week, which is wicked. It's very well done. A lot of that coming from Lloyd this morning. You know, Lloyd, you're up 2,200 on the day. Having everyone positive, I think is awesome. All need to pack a bag, a couple of changes of clothes, some swimming stuff for the spa.
Don't believe
bathrobe.
We all know what that means. Absolute opposite. It isn't going to be sweet.
I definitely think we're going to be travelling, but I'm not too sure where or how or why or using what.
Would you like to know if you're in the finals or not? So unfortunately, you're in the final. So congratulations. I do love an underdog, so I'm going to give you the chance to redeem yourself. You and Leah are both bottom 2. I'm going to pair you up with each other. The other 4 don't know, and they never will know.
That was quite surprising. I really didn't expect that at all, but I'm really grateful and glad.
You'll be given a £2,000 trading account, and you have no risk management rules. Midday, I'm going to give you the location where you've got to travel to. Unfortunately, to the 2 guys in 5th and 6th, unfortunately your journey ends today. So thank you so much guys for being involved. However, you will still be trading throughout the period of time that you're here until the return on Monday, okay?
The hardest thing for me was being sad. I'm always quite a happy person, so it's going out not smiling was quite hard because I was quite happy that we're getting, you know, we're in the challenge. So I don't think they know, which is good. So I think we've got to leave half an hour after them tonight. We can go under the radar.
I was surprised with Lee because I thought Lee would generally get in the final. I thought Lee's been quite good, like an all-rounder, I think. And Chris as well. I think it was a really hard call, if I'm honest. I think all of us had a chance to be in the final. And I think it could have been any one of us that are sitting not made it. I don't think there was any. I mean, I don't think there was anybody clearly was like in the lead, if that makes sense. Like any given day, one mistake could happen and you could be in their shoes, if that makes sense.
Winners.
Focus on your challenge, yeah. Focus on
distract you one way.
Focus on recovering all your losses from your trades.
Getting brave now.
Some smack talk.
A bit of smack talk coming on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty boy over here.
I thought it was money being pumped in. I read this thinking it was 108 billion being pumped into the system. I quickly read it.
Okay, so the rules for everyone first is very important. So when we leave here, you'll be given £50 each, okay, per team. And with that £50 you can do whatever you want with, whether that's to buy yourself a couple of bottles of water and a sandwich or something like that, or whether it's to start your journey and start travelling. That's up to you what you do with it, yeah? The moment that you use your own money to do anything, eating, travelling, we're disqualified. You lose, yeah? At any moment in time, you can phone me on Telegram and say we quit at any time. And then wherever you are in the world, we'll simply just evac you and get you back to the UK, yeah? So the location that you'll be trading to is Morocco. Have any of you been to Morocco?
Yeah, when I was really young.
Yeah. It's quite far away.
Not really.
We'll see who gets there first.
Yeah.
Or if either of you get them.
I do feel like we're going to get jumped by the SAS again. I really do feel like that. I feel like he's going to tell us to go to a destination where we can get to, and all of a sudden there's going to be a bunch of guys with big guns saying, boom, 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 get on the floor.
Last night I was looking through my phone, I found trains to Paris and Madrid and everything, coaches, even Scotland if you go there, so I'm pretty prepared. So
it's actually not Morocco, you're not going to Morocco. You're not going to Morocco. So I'll paste the location of where you're going into the Telegram group. When you arrive at this location, make sure that you call us and then you'll get picked up. So that's where you'll be arriving. Yeah. Le Montier, Les Bains. That's where you'll be heading towards. Okay? You can travel by any means, depending on how much money you make. So if you make enough to fly, you can fly. I'm not going to tell you what routes that you can take and what you can't take. Yeah? You can leave whenever you want from now. Okay. And start making your move. Okay. Yeah? When you want to withdraw your money, you're going to have to message me or Elliot to instantly transfer the money from your account straight onto the 2 designated cards that we'll be giving you guys. Is that understood? If you are not there by Sunday, then you'll be sent home. You can put your hands together for the final 6 real Forex traders. Hey, come. No pressure, guys. So I've told them that you've pretty much been on holiday for the last 3 weeks, having a really nice, fun time, and thought we'd get you out, because you guys are probably the most relatable to a lot of these people that have never traded before. Maybe go through, I think maybe introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name's Fatima. I'm 25 years old. I've always loved trading since I was 19. I started teaching myself and basically I've been I've gone to loads of different seminars, loads of people, and they wasn't transparent enough. I've gone down the wrong path of paying for courses, you know, make a million in my 20s. And basically, the first time I was able to see somebody trade live and actually make money and wasn't transparent with Leach, so I thought I'm going to take the leap and see where I could go in my life. I don't have any qualifications, and yeah, this was the leap I really wanted to take, so I'm really glad I'm here. It's finally profitable and I finally understand how to trade, so I'm really happy to be here.
I think you're trying to get brownie points there. Give him a round of applause.
Everybody has massively improved by sticking within the guidelines and successful rulings that Sam and the team have kind of set for us, and we've kind of shown that for a turbulent market at the moment there's profit to be made. So live accounts definitely change your outlook. Your emotions really kick in and you have to really control them. So it's a lot harder doing live accounts than it is doing demos. So.
Just the amount of experience and what we've learned and what we've picked up doing the program and strategy, it just, I think even if I was to go home and just learn online or on YouTube or anything like that, it'd take years to get that sort of information and get it right.
Yeah.
Get the right stuff.
I mean, it's hard, right? You've had 4 weeks of, well, you're not even finished yet, but I mean, you know, you pretty much went through hell week 1. Week 2, we then tried to correct hell. And then week 3, we tried to follow the rules and make money. And you know, go whistle it down to the people that can follow that structure. You can give them a round of applause and wish them the best of luck.
I thought Dom was just going to bust out a Tyson Fury song.
Dom, I thought he was going to do a Tyson Fury song.
Oh, yeah. That was easy, mate. Crowds are easy. You're never going to see him again. Never going to see him again.
I can't believe how much I was swearing.
Yeah.
I swore a lot. Honestly, I was like, oh, what's going on? I think it's because I was so nervous. I was like,
I didn't think he was going to do it. He shows you the final people are. But yeah, that was interesting.
No pressure.
Why are we doing that in a hurry?
No pressure.
I want to get there, on a horse and cart.
Is that £120? So it's £71 to get there in like 19 hours. It's one bus, and then all we need is like an Uber. Money for an Uber, like £30. So it's literally £100. Well, if you make more money, we'll get there sooner. No, we're literally £82 up. We're £73.
I don't want to push bike it there, you know what I mean?
We're £53. We're £56. We're 40. We're 36. We're 20.
I think I need to get as much of a bumper in as in the time frame that we're here at the starting location, and get as much profit up there, so at least we can bump and get ourselves as far as we can. Then we can work from there, rather than trading while we move, because that's just going to create stress. Looking for Wi-Fi, stopping and starting, stopping and starting. I think if we do it in large increments, we'll get further a lot quicker with the least amount of stress possible and anxiety kicking in. So yeah, I don't want to be hunting around for Wi-Fi and trying to check my trades, when we could be on the underground, or we could be, on a train or whatever. So yeah, I'd rather bolster as much as we can now, and kind of sit with a little bit of a treasure chest, then go. So
we've made about 280 quid, so about 15% up. Plus we've got the 50 quid cash to use, but we're not using that because we will need to eat, and we don't know how much we're going to have to pay for food if we're like in an airport or wherever we are, so we might have to pay more prices. We're just trying to work out now, so the plan is to catch a train from here to Gatwick, catch a flight from Gatwick somewhere in France, I don't know the name of it. What's the name?
Lyon, we're going to.
Lyon. And then we're going to catch a coach to the middle of where?
Grenoble.
Grenola. We're going to go to Grenola. And then from Grenola, we don't know where we're going yet. We're trying to see if we can book a hotel there. And then there's another coach at 11 AM in the morning that takes us to our destination, but we don't quite have enough money, so we're going to work out how much it costs. But I'm worried that the flight that we want to get on, because we haven't checked in, we're not allowed to leave here till 5:30. The last thing I want to do is be late and delayed, and then we're 160 quid down.
It's not my style. I don't like scalping in and out. I like to do it long and sit comfortably, but it's not going. Not good having a female on my ear either, going about getting this and getting that. Can't focus properly, so 300-400 quid down at the minute, so that's trade sat in, but I've gone polar opposite to what I would normally trade because I'm having to place trades. Well, I don't want to, so, and because I've got someone else in my ear telling me, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this. So it's like I can't focus properly, so I think I shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, I think it's because we're not looking at the bigger picture. They need us to look at the daily. Even we both missed it, so it's really bad. It's now minus quite a bit, so it's gone into profit quite a few times. I think our problem was we didn't take it, and our problem also is that we went against the trend and we didn't actually see that. But I don't think we should allow it to affect our emotions. It's affecting us already.
Oh, I'm going to have to pull out the trades because they're just going to keep going in the wrong direction.
Come on, Dom, you can do it. We just have to put larger lot size, better trades, take our time, better entry. Alright. Don't let it affect you.
No.
Okay? Don't let it do.
Don't take instructions off people. You can do one job and then do it. All the positions were in shorts. When I would have looked where I would normally look on my own, I would have looked at the UK pivot from the start of the day. She didn't. She fed me shorts. She fed me what she saw in front of her, not what was previous. So I placed trades in short positions that are long from the morning. Before we did the challenge, I placed it on a long and profited. Now we're doing this competition, just polar opposite. It's just not how I wanted it to go. Teamwork. Shouldn't. Would have done better on my own.
We're off. We got 50 quid in the account now, and we got 50 quid off Sam, so we got enough to get to Stansted. We found a flight for tomorrow morning for 56 for both of us. Get down to Marseille, so it's a bit further away, but at least we're in the right country. So we're off in a minute, well, at 5. So Elliot's just going to put it on the card now, and then we're going to, don't know why I'm whispering because no one else is out here. But yeah, hopefully we'll be off in a minute.
Honestly, you just need a breather. Step away from
this
it.
isn't my style.
I don't think it's any of our style.
Well, it is. It's everyone else's style
No,
but me.
it's
I'm the only one who places
point.
one trade a day.
No, it's the whole point.
And I'll make more profit.
It's not everyone
for getting
else's styles.
one trade.
No.
We can't trade an account. We can't move on an account that's negative.
You have the potential to put it back, so you just got to stay in that positive mindset.
Yeah.
And you just got to be a bit more patient. Like you've got time. Like, I mean, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. Don't try it. My advice would be don't think you always need to be trading every second.
Yeah. I agree with that.
Obviously, there's pressure to trade, but you don't need to be constantly in 20 trades, 30 trades. Anyway, what's done is done now.
Yeah, I know, mate. Yeah.
Focusing forward. Take your time with it again.
Can you go Euro USD, please? One left in 5 minutes.
Still got time to put it around.
We're not going to catch a flight anymore.
No.
We're going to catch a coach. Because we can sleep on the coach overnight, get in Paris at 6 AM in the morning, have a 15-minute walk and wake up, catch a train.
Yeah.
From the train we catch another coach, and we're there at 1:30 tomorrow afternoon, with a margarita in one hand.
And a cigar in another.
Cool. Then there's no something.
5:30 says D-Day. It's time to kick you out. Off you go into the world of trading. And if you have a withdrawal request, simply send it to me on Telegram, and I will let your cameraman know exactly what to do, and then you're off. Yeah.
See you later.
Enjoy Club Tropicana.
Yes.
See you in Abu Dhabi.
See you in Abu Dhabi.
Victoria is your destination?
Yes.
Yeah, platform 12.
Platform 9 3/4.
We are still at the ILEC Centre in the lobby because we've got to trade our way into profits. There's no point wasting our money going to Watford to then go somewhere else when we're already in sort of London. It's easier for us to get to like Victoria if we need to. Plus, I do think that there is a there is a bus, I think, at 11 o'clock. So if we can trade our way into some sort of profits, or even like, yeah, into profits by 11 o'clock, then we kind of have something to do by then. So we've given ourselves to 11 o'clock to hopefully get out there.
I think it's this one.
I've got to stop using this front pocket because it's going to break.
It smells nice, doesn't it? It smells like mojitos, what we're going to have when we get there. Is that the smell of?
Success.
Yeah, I agree. Are you already in? What's going on?
When you've got everything against you and you feel like punching. Way to experience losses on the first day of the final challenge. How many experienced losses? I've had one loss since I started trading. Samuel Leach's trading thing, and now on the final day, choke artist is just experiencing losses everywhere. Uninstalled everything and turned yourself off and got rid of everything that me and Jack did.
So we're here, gate 13, leaves at 8 o'clock, 127 to Paris, no. So we just gotta wait now, get some food. Right, so what did you get there?
Journey.
Preach to the journey. What kind of stuff?
Drinks, water, caramel shortcake.
So nice and prepared, yeah?
Prepared.
Ready to go.
So we're on the train now to Stansted. Booked our flight for 6:50 tomorrow morning. So just need to make a little bit more money, get a nice little car, drive all the way down there, and hopefully treat ourselves to some nice McDonald's breakfast.
My laptop is just playing silly beep beep, and just keeps shutting itself off and then turning itself off, and I've lost everything, and then I have to go again trying to find the template, and it's not good.
Best thing for us to do, if something is not going in our favour, within like 3 minutes, get out of it. That's what I think. Just the same way, like, but that's what scalping is literally. Even if you take a pip at high lot size, then take it. If it's £200, take it. If it's £10, take it. If it's £5, take it. If it's 63 pence, take it. We've been in profit many times and we've let it go down. So we need to just stop doing that now.
No, but I'm not even getting close to profit. It's tanking every time. This isn't the way I trade.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have traded today. I should have traded this evening, one trade. I should have stuck to that, just done one trade and sat back. It's worked for me this whole competition, and now I've gone against my rules and I've got not off. I shouldn't listen to anyone. I shouldn't have opened my ears to anyone. I should have gone where I was, I was up there for a reason.
Yeah.
And I should have stayed there rather than, in a sense of sabotaging by going against all my principles and my strategies, the way I work it, and it cost me.
Throughout most of the time I found that he weren't really listening to me. So when I was saying to him, take profits, and when I was saying to him, cut your losses a lot sooner so that the losses don't run deep, he seemed to just allow it to run deeper and deeper, and he just wasn't really listening to me. And then it's like he wasn't taking accountability for his own actions. He made it seem like it's my fault, like this is my strategy, or this is scalping and stuff like that. And I was quite bothered about that.
So I think having an emotional person around me disappointingly made me emotional, and I shouldn't have allowed it. So it's definitely on my part. I shouldn't have allowed it.
No, it's just gonna go out. We may as well just get out. It's going to S2. It's going.
No, I'm out.
Look, man, there's 3 seats on that one, and that one's way busier. No, there's no much ITV France, no airport.
Is that us?
We made it. We're going to Brad's boy.
So we're chilling out in the airport now. On rations of the water, we've got Doritos for dinner, but I think we are nearly there for flights and travel, so maybe a few quid more and then we'll be on our way.
Yeah, and steak for breakfast.
Hopefully try and find somewhere in a minute to get a few hours sleep, and then we fly at 6:50 in the morning, but we will keep you posted.
So that's what I'm saying, we have to be smart about what we do at this point. Don't be emotional, but yeah, it is going up, yeah.
You got out, so it's alright,
Okay.
30 quid.
Cool. Can't take seeing it up and then down and up and down anymore. It actually is bugging me. Go up.
It's not happening, is it? It's not. It's not my style, it's not working.
She was trying to boost me up, but it was like the last thing I needed was to be told you can do it, because I needed to know, I needed to figure it out.
9 o'clock and we are minus, how minus are we? Our balance is £1,151.
We're down £660 basically to break even. We're not even in profit.
Yeah. There's not enough momentum in the markets at these times, so I think it's kind of hard to find pullbacks when the market's so slow. So it's like these little minuscule moves that you can't really make that much money, so it's unfortunate. They will kick us out, but I'll just be very, very nice to them until like 2 AM in the morning. So they're like, can't take no more of your niceness, get out.
So it's 11:20. As you can see, Lee has I think he's called it a night. You've got a flight to catch at 6:50. Bless him. 6:50. So we're just, well, I'm just waiting up to seeing if there's anything to do. There's not really much to do. There's literally no one in this airport whatsoever. It's completely empty. A little bit hungry, but I don't really want to place any more trades because the spread's a little bit high at the moment. So I'm just trying to keep myself entertained. Got the phone on charge mostly, so I can play some games, but yeah, just gotta wait out until the flight comes. So I'll let you know how it goes.
Next time on The Real Forex Trader.
£298.17 profit. Off 2k.
We're now going to try and hitchhike our way 15 kilometres up to
Sponsored by WildEFX.com, bringing you the best Forex experience.